In this video, we are going to solve pretty common question of DP interviews, which is subset sum problem. And this is very similar to knapsack problem, 0 1 knapsack. Okay. So here we are given array of size n, and we have to return boolean value true or false whether we can reach this given sum using the array elements. So in example 1 we have to reach 9 using all these array elements, and we know if we add 3 4 and 2, which will yield us 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9, we will reach 9, and hence we return 1, which was true. Similarly, for example 2, we are given 6 element array which is with these elements, and we have to reach 30 this time. But if you form the combinations, you will never reach any combinations with the given array inputs using which we can you can reach to 30. So we will return false, which is 0. Okay, see, it is 0 over here. There are no subset. So I will solve this question with dp only and not with recursion. So first of all, I will create and initialize my dp, and I will store false in everything. Okay, sum plus 1 in range and plus 1. Okay, so I've created and initialized my dp with false everything. Now there's a catch. As we all know, if we have nothing and we don't want anything, that's a win-win situation. So in this question also, let us say we have no elements in the array, and target sum to reach is also 0. Then obviously without using any element we can still reach 0. So that is why I will initialize first column with true, which means there is no sum to generate to achieve, which will always be the case. Okay, so for I in range n plus 1 dp I 0, is in first column will be true, and similarly for all the columns except the first cell in first row will yield what? I mean, if the size of the array is 0, I mean there are no elements and we have to reach any sum greater than 0. Any sum greater than 0, I mean, even if we have to reach 1 or 2 or 3, but we do not have any elements in the array, in that case we will never be able to reach it. So that is why I will initialize it with what? I will initialize it with false, which is 0. Cool, we'll never reach it. After that, I will just loop in through my dp for I in range 1, 2, and plus 1. Now 1 because I've already initialized first row and first column in the dp with the probable solution. Okay. Now there's a catch. If array I minus 1 less than equal to j, which says if we can use this element I minus first element of the array to be included in our result matrix in order to reach the given target sum. If that is the case, then I minus 1 j minus array I minus 1, cool, or I minus 1 j. Now why I have used or? Because as we know, we have to take the maximum value of these things, okay, which will be 1 and 0, which is boolean in this question. And in normal knapsack we do not have that boolean value. We normally have integers, and max works on integers only, but or, which is another thing which is boolean type, will not work on boolean values. Okay, I mean max will not work on boolean ones, but or will. So if we can include it, then we already designed it, but if we cannot include it, then what? Then we already know I minus 1 j, I mean the previous value. So as we know that when we have formed the solution, we have to return the last cell, that is last row and last column element. So let me test. Okay, for example test case it is running. Let me submit it, and yeah, it does a job in pretty less time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, have a nice day.